If you are looking for a great camera, you're going to want to check this one out. This is how it comes. You got 4K, 64 megapixels. This is a great digital camera. I got the color black right here. I'm going to walk you through everything you get in a minute. Quick bunch of features here. We got playback. We have a photo mode. We have record mode, which is awesome, time-lapse, slow motion, and we also have a photo timer, which is great. Really love the fact that this is light and compact, which is awesome. I've been playing around with this. We could do 18 times zoom here. So this is how we're gonna zoom in and out. This is gonna be right over here. This is gonna be your menu button. So this is all, you can just go up and down just like that. Really, really easy to use, really easy to set up. Comes with 2 batteries. For you, it comes with these lanyards right here. So you got a longer one if you want to put it around your neck, and then a shorter one if you want to put it around your wrist. We also got this nice carrying case right here, a charger, and it also comes with a 64 memory card, which is great. Super easy. All you got to do is slide this over here. This is where the battery is right here, and also the memory card as well. So if you are looking for a great digital camera that takes awesome pictures, is easy to use, is light, and easy to carry around, definitely check this one out. And a big thanks to the brand for sending me this so I could do this review.